Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Knowledge. In this video, I have used the combination of sound and delay function to make a ringtone of the theme of Harry Potter movie. The sound and delay functions are provided in the Dos.h header file in C language. I hope you will enjoy this video. Also, I have hidden the title of my next video. I hope you will decode it. I have provided some hints in this video to decode. Hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on bell icon. Also, share this video with your programming buddies. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like this video, share with your programming buddies and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. So, whenever I upload new video, then you'll get notifications. Also, I hide the next video title in this video and also gave some hints. So, I hope you will decode it. If you have already decoded, then comment below. If you like this kinds of quest, then comment below. I will make more this kinds of hidden quest or messages and will hide in my videos. Also, I want to say thank you that my last video 5 movies based on programming or programmers gets such a nice response with 10 plus likes. It's on the halfway of 20 likes. When the video gets 20 likes, I will make another video on movies based on artificial intelligence or movies based on hacking. Also, I have some interesting topics to share with you. If you haven't watched that video, then watch from the link that I have provided in description. So, we will meet in the next video. Until then, enjoy programming.